Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to show you how to refresh and reset your For You page algorithm on TikTok. If you've been scrolling but not finding content you enjoy, resetting your feed can help bring fresh and exciting videos your way. First, open the TikTok app and head to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once there, tap the three horizontal lines or dots in the top right corner to access your settings. Select Settings and Privacy, then scroll down until you see Content Preferences. In this section, you'll find an option to refresh your For You feed. Tap on it, and TikTok will let you know that your feed will be reset and start showing general popular videos. Your profile and inbox won't be affected. If you're ready to proceed, tap the Refresh button to reset your feed. Once the changes are applied, you'll notice your For You page beginning to adjust. As you interact with videos by liking, commenting, and following, the algorithm will quickly learn your preferences and tailor your feed accordingly. That's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.